In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an accordion in Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to organize your content in a sleek and interactive way, then adding an accordion to your Wix site is a fantastic choice. It's a practical feature that lets you tidy up lengthy information, making it more digestible for your visitors. Let's dive in and see how you can do just that. First things first, you'll need to open your site in the Wix Studio Editor. Once your site is loaded up, the Wix Studio Editor is your creative playground, where you have everything at your fingertips to make your website not only functional, but visually stunning too. As you gaze upon your website's layout, it's time to bring a little organization magic into the mix with an accordion. Direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar in the Wix Studio Editor is like your toolkit. It's where you'll find all the essential elements you can add to your site. Here, you want to click on Add Elements. The beauty of Wix lies in its ability to let you drag and drop various elements, making the whole editing process as smooth as silk. Now, once you've clicked on Add Elements, you'll be introduced to a menu of options. We are on a specific mission, so go ahead and find Layout Tools. Think of Layout Tools as your architectural kit, ready to bring structure and aesthetic appeal to your site. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, locate Accordions. This is where the fun begins because now it's time to choose an accordion design. Wix offers a variety of styles to match the vibe of your website. You can go for something minimalistic and modern if that suits your style, or opt for something a bit more decorative if you're feeling fancy. Take your time to explore these designs because this is what your visitors will interact with. It's about making sure the design complements your overall site aesthetics. After you've made your choice, it's as simple as drag and drop. Click on the accordion design you like, drag it over to the spot on your page where it will shine best, and voila! You've just added an accordion. This interactive element will not only organize information like FAQs or detailed guides, but will also engage your visitors, encouraging them to click and explore further. And that's it. You now have a functional accordion in place on your Wix site. Feel free to tweak and customize the accordion settings to fine-tune how it fits within your content. Remember, with Wix, you have the creative freedom to adjust anything, from colors to text, ensuring your site is unique and stands out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.